It's trip day. It's trip day. It's trip day. Show me somebody who is excited about traveling but mad about packing. Why do I have to pack? Why can't my box just get there and I meet it there? Why? Anyway, it's trip day and I'm about to start packing. This is 11:30. I hate packing and I hate unpacking. I hate it. Like I hate, that's the one thing I hate. And aside of ironing, those are the two things I hate. But with my steamer, I enjoy ironing now. Who knew? I bought a steamer recently and I enjoy using it. So maybe I don't really hate ironing anymore. But packing, I have to always have a list to be able to pack. If I don't have a list, best believe I'm leaving half of my things behind. I've been making this list since Monday, but it's finally time. So I'm going to start with DB's things. Then my things and then Dami's things. I told you guys yesterday that I had to call the airline that we're using because we had paid for only hand luggage carry on. But I did things. I said, look my list. We're gonna need a 23 kg for just 4 days. But I'd rather be able to pack it, just throw it in the box than trying to squeeze myself pressing cream inside another bottle because of 100 ml, carrying small perfume because 100 ml. I didn't come to this life for that. That being said, I just wanted to pick up the vlog. I'm really excited. Let me go and start packing my things. I'll see you guys later, okay? Hello! So, we are at the airport now. Checked in. I'm so excited. I know you guys can tell. I'm so excited. I don't even know why. I'm just excited. Just like running around.
It's nothing. It's not for the faint of heart. I'm telling you.
It's not for the faint-hearted. It's a faint of heart. You guys, parent privilege, boarding early. This guy has been a great sport. Yeah, he'll drink his milk now. And he say, oh. Oops. We've landed. Baby is sleeping. I can't wait to see Shelayo. We're going to pick up our luggage now. Oh my god, I haven't seen you like 2 years. Shelayo, I see you. Oh, good. How are you? Thank you. I smell like jollof.
No, you've trained me well.
Oh, we're in Vancouver. We've landed. Sorry, I've taken off my wig because I'm tired. This is 11:58 p.m., which means it is 12:58 my time because Vancouver is 1 hour behind. But look at my sugar mommy from Lagos to Canada. And she got me flowers. Okay, so beautiful. And this young man is not sleeping. It's. My phone was dead for a long time, so I couldn't show you guys when Shewaya met the love of her life. He was sleeping, but now we're all over it now.
Do you want some salt?
Yes, please. Have you ever eaten food at Cream House by herself cook? Have you ever? That's the only reason why I'll be eating jollof rice, even though there's a little bit of salad. But this is usually what we're eating at 12 midnight. It's because this is the best chef in town. I can't wait to see the Bobo tomorrow. Like, I'm so excited. As you guys know,
Yeah,
I can't wait to. We're outside, man. We're outside. I can't wait to see everywhere, go everywhere.
Does anybody else want?
But yeah, for tonight, that's it. I'm signing out. See you guys tomorrow. You guys, BC is no. I'm moving here. Anyway, that was telling me Calgary is fine. People should just hold it, please. Just keep it. Have you been here? Oh my god, this place is so beautiful. Like the flowers. I'm going to flip the camera around. We're going up a hill. Let me stop talking. Like I was showing you guys some mountain views.
Can you turn your camera around?
There's a water behind us.
The view behind is amazing. Oh, see.
Like, can you guys see? No, the water, by the way. Hi guys, so our first stop is the aquarium. DV is just having fun, so much fun. Well, maybe he doesn't know that he's having fun, but I'm happy that we're giving him some experiences. I think that's what I wanted to say. But we've just stopped at the aquarium now. Weather is lovely. The aquarium is at Stanley Park. I've always heard about Stanley Park, but I just thought it was a park, like backyard park. I didn't even know it was this big. But anyway, I'll take you guys along. See you guys soon.
Somebody's mommy. This person is in the PTA association. I just want people to see.
So if you touch these, they're actually like spines. They're made for protection, and they're also super mobile.
Just kind
If I
of.
touch him, you'll know some of the spines wrap
With your
around
pinky
my
finger. Yeah.
These are their keisters. So these are pretty sticky. They'll use them to grip balls and
This
things,
is
but
face
they're
your
also
fear-
like
face
their
your
sense of
fears.
taste, their sense of smell. Yeah. So he's they're not always out for
Actually, when you touch the first one, it's different. It's different from the other one. Yeah, this one's kind of softer.
yeah, different species. Yeah. So there's some that are harder and some that are softer.
I'll never see home sensor.
Come with me as I go to Home Sense, swearing that I'm just going to look around and I'm not going to buy anything. Let's see how I do.
That's what I always say too. I always say I'm not gonna buy anything. Oh my goodness.
The next day.
Hi guys. It's day 2 of this trip and we are on a ferry. You guys have seen it. We kind of videoed when we're getting on the ferry. DB wants to sleep. We're on the ferry now to Victoria to see my brother. And it is so beautiful. Like, let me show you guys. Titanic. That makes sense on Titanic. Well, not Titanic, but Jesus. Oh my god. Actually, it's good. And the hot girls are barely dressed, so I don't even know. I shall talk about full. Nobody is full. Days in BC and Barry has a cold already.
And yeah, Abata that is cold.
And Abata that is cold is not cold. Hi guys, so we're back into our car. We've arrived in Victoria, so we've had to leave the deck and then come back to our cars to be able to drive out. Super excited, super exhausted, but I'll see you guys later. People. Joe is using lots of clothes because I'm busy doing it for them. Nice. Nice. Laundry. Then, ballroom. Here's the other room. Empty. Nice. Matches your
perfect for your husband.
Yeah, because there's a work desk. That's convenient. Can you guys see somebody's mom? Hi guys.
Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you.
Wicked.
I was asking each other how you just want to be cool.
You go tired.
Oh my god.
Hello, it's day 2. I'm with my girl. The only few people that I don't have sense with when I am with this #1 champion, followed by K-pop. British Columbia is beautiful, you guys. I don't know if I can like capture it enough, so I don't even like. Let me just show you guys what's my view right now. It looks hazy, but that's the ocean. Like, this gate's not, they let me see. It's so beautiful. Like, it's so beautiful. But this is day 2 in Victoria. I've told my husband that it's like we will sell our house and move. Even though our house cannot buy house here, he says apartment condo it will buy here. Our whole almost 2,000 square foot house, they say it's condo it will buy in this Victoria. I'm in love. Like, the greenery, the scenery is the perfect place to actually raise a family. So as you guys know, my brother is a carpenter. So if you need people to build your house, call him so that he can buy a house for me. Please, I beg you. So that he can build my house for me, please. Tea for thanks. So we're it's really late. Like, this is 12:30, but we're just going to have breakfast. He's recommending a place called Spoons. So we're going. Dami and DB are in the other car with our friends and Royal Bay, the seaside community. Anyway, we're going to have breakfast now. I'm just I'm just in awe. I'm like, can I show you guys enough? I don't think so. For sometimes I'm not videoing because I want to take it in, because I don't live here either. But like, this is beautiful, like, and I think this is how it is all year round.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Do you know how much, like, so much so I wanted to build a sunroom into my house in Alberta, but they are telling me that the money to heat it up in the winter is not worth it, so I've given up. So the best thing I can do is to move. Yeah, they were like, our light bills will be really, really high if I want to, because it's going to be glass, to be able to hit minus 40 without what's that thing you guys put in the wall? Insulation, because it's going to be glass. We can't insulate it, so it's going to be terrible. So I'm just going to waste money, spend like $10,000 to build it, then be paying NEPA bill of $5,000 a month on top what I want greenery. I'd rather move.
And that's like 7 months in a year.
And that's like 7 months in a year. So not worth it, but this is beautiful. Like, I don't even imagine if I want to move here, I can buy 1921 and if I 1806 house.
Yes, man.
And yeah, so why do I have you? And why do I have my design senses? Anyway, I think I've spoken too much, guys. I will show you guys when I see something that I feel like I want to keep etched in our memory. I will. Oh my god, look at this 50% discount.
You think it's easy? You know how much you used to develop the property before he gives you this.
Look at the ocean view. Like, you're just driving down the road and you're just seeing the ocean.
I was driving. So I saw all kinds of.
Like, you're just seeing the ocean. Like, you're just driving down the road and the ocean is literally in front of you. I feel like I'm in Italy or Greece.
Yeah.
So beautiful.
Driving like this and I saw you.
Wow. Like, people just park their cars and just come and look at the ocean.
People have barbecues here, whatever.
Wow.
Like the sand is still, if you want, I can park you come down and see.
Oh, come back.
But this is like home right here. So that castle over there, you see it now, that was where they shot X-Men.
That white.
In front of the white one.
Oh, it's too far.
It's too far away, but
Oh, my camera can catch it actually.
when you get closer, I can see it.
Oh, I see it.
So that's Royal University.
Oh yeah, the group 2021.
This is where I learned all my. The whole wooden stuff.
This year,
The pergola.
I tried last week. 2 Tuesdays ago. So you see the paint, everything like that. Wow, okay.
So quickly, let's buy land.
I don't think the short as nails.
Capital Bessery did this by himself. That's Capital Bessery, by the way. Capital Bessery. This is handwork.
And they win, like, you know how you get paid at the end of the day?
The first one I ever did.
Yes, no. Yes, no, bro, sister. Like, this is what I love in BC. Like, we don't see trees with plants like this, with flowers rather. Oh, this is that stuff you've been doing that you've been sending to me.
How does it feel like to see people using something that literally did not exist and then you made it?
I'm using Eco now, pride to come and show off my work.
I'm so proud. Hey guys, we're back. Home. Not home. We're back to the Airbnb. And I'm so exhausted. Like, today was such a beautiful day. We saw so many things, but I couldn't video because I was not enjoying the views because I was videoing it, so I couldn't keep up. But it was so beautiful. We're back to our Airbnb now. We leave tomorrow evening, back to Vancouver, and then we leave Vancouver on Tuesday. I just thought to pick up the vlog, just to give an update, because I don't think I spoke to you guys at all today. I was just out there doing outdoorsy stuff. Really, really nice. Oh, I think I videoed, I made 1 or 2 videos. We saw a dead seal at the beach, but it was so beautiful at the ocean, at the beach. Yeah, but it was so beautiful. I'm whispering a little bit because damage just took Barry to bed. I love how my husband just is the baby whisperer, so he's the one that takes him to bed anyway. But I love how there's not even a discussion between us. Man is to make the milk, his own is to take him inside. I love that so much. So I have a little bit of me time. We're going to the legislature. We're going to BC Legislature. Yeah, so we do actually have something important tomorrow. So, but anyway, let's see how it goes. Okay, I'll carry you guys along tomorrow. See ya. Elevator is to the left hand. Thank you. Hi guys, it's day 3.
Touring the legislative assembly.
Yeah, the parliament building. Oh, today is the legislature. So we are done with the tour of the legislature. I keep saying legislative. We're heading out soon. We are going to have lunch, and then we're going to head back to our ferry and head back to Vancouver and then to Edmonton tomorrow. But beautiful city, and it's raining, but it's beautiful. I will talk to you guys later. Thank you, baby. Say bye. Bye. Love you.
Carry.
We're back home, guys. We're home. I'm going to be ending this vlog here. I said it on the plane that I was going to end the vlog, but I doubt that you guys heard me. Sorry, I look rough. I know. I just landed. We're home, thank God. Byron is somewhere and his dad is somewhere. So I'm ending the vlog now, and I'm starting another vlog right immediately. See you guys.